Hello everyone and welcome to another Friday story time. Today I'm going to read the fourth story in our series, The Farmyard Tales. I hope you enjoy our story this afternoon. The title of today's story is called The Runaway Tractor. Oh, I do love tractors, do you? This is Apple Tree Farm and this is Mrs Boot the farmer. She has two children called Poppy and Sam and a dog called Rusty. Ted is a tractor driver. He has filled the trailer with lots of hay. He is taking the hay to the sheep in the field. Poppy and Sam hear a funny noise. "Listen," says Sam. "Ted is shouting and the tractor is making a funny noise. Let's go and have a look." They run to the top of the hill. The tractor is racing down the hill. It's going faster and faster. "It won't stop," shouts Ted. The trailer comes off. Oh no! The trailer runs down the hill and crashes into the fence. It tips up and the hay falls out. Oh no! The tractor runs into the pond with a big splash. The tractor hits the water with a great big splash and the engine makes a loud noise. It then stops with a hiss. Oh no, I think the tractor might be broken. Ted climbs down from the tractor and Ted paddles through the water out of the pond. Poppy and Sam run down the hill. Ted is very wet. Ted takes off his boots, he tips them upside down and shakes the water. How can we get the tractor out of the pond? Do you have any ideas? Go and ask Farmer Dre to help. Ask someone to telephone Farmer Dre, says Ted. So Poppy and Sam run off to the farmhouse. Farmer Dre has a big horse. And soon he is walking down the hill with his horse. It is a huge cart horse and she is called Dolly. Ted helps with the ropes. Farmer Dre ties the ropes around Dolly and Ted ties the other end around his tractor. Oh, have you thought what they're going to do? Dolly starts to pull. She pulls and she pulls and very slowly the tractor starts to move. Ted starts to push. He pushes as hard as he can and Dolly pulls. Ted falls over. The tractor jerks forward and Ted falls over in the water. He is now wet and very muddy. The tractor is now out of the pond. We better leave the tractor to dry, says Farmer Dre. Then you can get the engine going again. Ooh, fingers crossed. Poppy and Sam ride home. Farmer Dre lifts them onto Dolly's back. But Ted, he's so muddy, he has to walk. The end. I hope you have enjoyed our story today and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Bye-bye.